Yeah, hi, so I'm Rawlings. I graduated from the BSc Food Science Technology at National Centre for Food Manufacturing. So my course was part of an apprenticeship, so I worked full-time as well as doing the course. I graduated in 2021. Yeah, so I am an account manager for Branston Potatoes, a local company that provides potatoes to Tesco and other retailers throughout the UK. I'm predominantly responsible for looking after fresh sweet potatoes and fresh normal potatoes, customer-facing roles, mostly commercial, and day-to-day I sort of look after forecasting volumes and prices, that sort of thing. My degree initially supported my career because I went into technical team, which is around food safety and quality, and so it was really very helpful at that point. So that actually supported me getting my previous role, which was in technical. Since then I've moved on to the commercial team, which again is still within the food industry, so still very helpful and helps me in some of those conversations whereby other members of the commercial team might not necessarily have that background and experience, so it's definitely helped me. So I am ever so slightly nervous, but really honoured to be invited back. Really pleased to have an opportunity to do this. So my alumni speech is based around embracing change, so I think that's something I should say. There's lots of changes coming in and out of our lives, so I think it's really important to embrace it and search for those changes to help improve us as people. So I was stuck in a bit of a rut when I was around 25, so I actually was looking to see what I could do, and I had a really good opportunity that meant, again, I could work as well as do a degree apprenticeship with the Lincoln University in Holbeach. So yeah, it was really helpful, and I live quite locally, so again, very useful for me. So obviously I studied at Holbeach section of the university, so having the hands-on experience of the labs there really helped apply practical to the knowledge theory that we were learning, because essentially some of the jobs I was doing whilst doing my degree, I didn't necessarily have access to labs, so it was really helpful to have that. I would say I think it's a really good opportunity. I definitely think you should consider a degree at Lincoln University, a really beautiful city, really good nightlife as well, so a really nice community in Lincoln.